Hi there. This is step number 6 of how to make the transition, and we are going to look at how to get to know your people. When we say people, we mean your former peers, your current peers, your immediate supervisors, and there might be some other people with whom you have some dotted line relationships, or for that matter, maybe a dotted line reporting relationship. They might not be directly your boss, but they might ask you to do something and you have to do it because they have some dotted line relationship with you. In fact, in some organizations where they have matrix management, you do have an immediate boss, but you also have some other person who is there and who can give you the instructions or directions, or who can ask you to do something, and that person also has some responsibilities, or you are also responsible to that person. In any case, there could be different situations in different organizations.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.